Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are well and enjoying your subjects. Due to some unavoidable circumstances, I was unable to upload my new videos or new lecture videos, but now I am back here to help the students. Welcome to Nils Biology, and in this video tutorial I am going to discuss about the lysosome. Okay, so what do you mean by lysosome? Right, you have to know. Lysosome is known as the suicidal bag. Okay, lysosome is known as the suicidal bag. Why it is known as suicidal bag? We will back on this. Okay, at first you have to know that who discovered lysosome. The lysosome was discovered by Christian de Duve. And he discovered lysosome in the liver cells. Okay, in the liver cells, which performs so many activity, right? And that Christian de Duve discovered lysosome in liver cells. And what is the size of lysosome? Is 0.2 to 0.5 micrometer. Okay, and lysosome is nothing but a single membrane bounded cell organelle. Okay, but they contains some hydrolytic enzyme. These are this, if this is lysosome, okay, they contain inside its body is hydrolytic enzyme. There are mainly 6 type of enzyme. Among them there is nuclease, there is DNase or RNase, sulfatase, etc. Also there is lipase. Why this enzyme is needed? Actually this enzyme is needed for the digestion, nothing but a digestion. Okay, so at first we need to know that lysosomes are 4 types. Okay, lysosomes are 4 types because they exist in actually they exist in various 4 type of forms, so they are known as the polymorphic organelles. Okay, why lysosome is known as polymorphic organelle? The lysosome is known as polymorphic organelle because they exist in 4 type of forms. Okay, the first one is, I have to erase the board at first. Number 1 is primary lysosome. Which is inactive in nature. They contains the enzyme but they are inactive in nature. They contains inactive enzyme. Okay, right? And after that there is secondary lysosome. Okay, secondary lysosome consists of active enzyme. When the primary lysosome actually the enzyme which is needed for the digestion is originated by endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, after that when they are coupled with food vacuole as well as the vesicle of Golgi bodies, they are become active, which is known as secondary lysosome. And what is tertiary lysosome? After digestion, the unwanted particles or the unnecessary particle present inside the lysosome is known as the tertiary lysosome. Okay, or they also known as residual bodies. Also they are known as residual bodies, right? They consist unwanted particles. Okay, after that the fourth type of lysosome is known as autophagosomes. What do you mean by autophagosomes? Autophagosome means actually these three types of lysosome. Okay, these three types of lysosome when actually works when some foreign particles such as there will be the food particle, okay, harmful food particle or the pathogen enters inside the cell, and these three type of lysosome work to digest, okay, work together to digest the particle. So they are known as heterophagosomes. They are known as heterophagosomes, right? They are known as heterophagosome. And autophagosome means when cell itself, when actually cell consists of harmful substances itself. Like in a cell, if this is a cell and there is a mitochondria inside the cell, and this mitochondria become old or this become inactive, so the cell does not need these type of mitochondria, so the cell need to digest it, okay. Then the type of lysosome which is helps to digest itself, okay, or the forget about the mitochondrion. Let's talk about, or let's think this is the entire cell which is not needed by the organism, so the organism need to destroy the cell, right? So the lysosome, when the lysosome actually consists of hydrolytic enzyme, we know all the harmful enzymes, or also they need to digest some particles, so they release all type of enzyme. After that the cell becomes digested, so the lysosome also destroyed and the entire cell content become destroyed, so they known as autophagosome or the self eating, right? I will make a separate video regarding autophagy, okay. So they known as suicidal bag also, right? Actually lysosome contains pH of when the cell cytosol consists pH of around 7 to 2 or 7 to 5, okay. The lysosome have pH of 5. Why they maintain the pH of 5? Actually they have receptor in their membrane, and also they have proton pumps. Also they have the proton pumps, they pumps the proton by the ATP hydrolysis, and the proton or the H plus enter inside the lysosome, right? So they maintain their pH. Why they maintain this type of acidic pH? We have to know, because they need to the job or the functions of the lysosome is to destroy the foreign or the harmful particles, right? So they need to maintain the acidic pH to kill the particle, okay. So this is the job of lysosome, and is the structure and the function of lysosome. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel to get update of my more videos. So no more today, stay happy, keep learning. Thank you.